The time we've been waiting for is here. The CPen core team, they have started their token distribution, and they made an official announcement just some minutes ago, as at the time this video was created, that the CPen token verification is completed. Now everybody can go and check what the allocation is. So all the verified tokens, you are going to see it in the verified token balance. If your app is not up to date, you go to Play Store and update your app to the current version so that you can see your verified token. Now it says that you should ensure that your BSC wallet address has been linked. Of course, before now I have made that video on how to link your BSC wallet address. I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video. Make sure that you have linked your wallet address. Know that it is going to end on March 29th, just like we have here at exactly 20:00 UTC. Okay, so the mining for CPen has ended, which you know before now. What we are mining currently is the ink. So you can go over to the wallet section of your mining app. Then when you go there, you are going to see your verified balance. Okay, now you see here, this is what I have, and this is the verified balance that has been given to me. So someone will ask, why the reduction in the balance or the number of tokens that was given to me? Yes, it was stated clearly in one of the tweets that they made, and on the screen here is the tweet that they made on the 7th of December, and it explains how the supply of the token is going to be. Now it says that your verified coin balance, I'm trying to highlight it, your verified coin balance will be the total number of coins that you have mined minus the one that you're supposed to get as referral reward from your on KYC referrals. All right, so they are going to deduct from the on KYC members in your team, those people that have not done their KYC, what you're supposed to get as a reward for referring them. Okay, they are going to deduct it from the total balance. Now, if you take a look here, you see that this is the total balance that I mined. So after deducting the whole bonuses that I'm supposed to get from my referrals, those who did not do their KYC, that gave rise to this verified balance. If I go to the team section, you see the number of persons that I have verified. You see those ones that does not have this green tick. It shows that they did not do their KYC. All right, so that is how you are going to identify yours as well. These persons, they did not do their KYC, but the people that has green tick, they are the ones that did their KYC. So all their referral rewards will be deducted, and after the deduction, you are going to get your verified balance. So that is how the verified balance came about. In case you go to the wallet section and you did not see your balance, make sure that you are using the updated version of the app. Make sure that you have linked your wallet address. Make sure that you also complete this task. Okay, some persons may not tell you this, but these tasks are very, very important. Make sure you complete these tasks that are listed here. Okay, I have some that have not yet completed, but make sure that you have completed yours. These tasks were given after the CPen mining ended. Okay, in your own case, you may have some tasks that were given when we were still mining the CPen. So you go ahead and complete the tasks. They are very, very simple. I've also created the video for that. I'm also going to leave the link to the video in the description of this video. Then you make sure that you do your KYC. Make sure that you have here ticked green. Okay, that shows that you have done your KYC and you have passed the KYC. Okay, now another important thing you need to take note of is your streak. What does streak mean? Streak is the number of days that you have mined, the consecutive number of days that you have mined. When I mean consecutive, that is, you have mined all through without missing a single day. For instance, if you have 10 streak days and you miss one day and start on the 12th day, it is going to start counting as one. But the consecutive number of days that you have mined without missing any day is what we call the streaks. This streaks is very, very important. Now, it was mentioned in one of the tweets that they made, saying that if you do not have at least 5 streaks, that you will not be given an opportunity to do the KYC. Of course, you know that the KYC has ended for now, but they are going to open the portal for the KYC in the nearest future, and they say that they're going to announce it. Okay, but just be ready. Now make sure that you have linked your wallet address. I have said this before, and also try to remind your team members to activate their mining. As you can see, almost half of my members here are not mining. Almost half of them are not mining, and each day I keep on sending them, I keep on pinging them, okay, by clicking on the ping button to remind them to start their mining or to activate their mining session. In no distant time, we should anticipate the total figure, which is the total supply of the CPen token. Of course, they say that when they are done with their calculations to get the verified and the unverified, then they will now give us the total supply. So we should anticipate now that they are done with the calculations and they have done the distribution. Okay, in no distant time, we should expect that they are going to announce the token total supply. This will give us a kind of little overview of what we should expect as the listing price. Now, there is a news that I saw that has been hovering around WhatsApp, Telegram, people saying that if you have linked your BITMART wallet address to the CPen app, that you are not going to receive your token. I don't really understand what it is all about, but of course, you know that the listing of the CPen in BITMART is an official announcement which they made by themselves, and I'm trying to locate that announcement. Now this is it on the screen here, okay, where the BITMART exchange themselves say that they are going to list the CPen token, okay, and the CPen also made the tweet, of which I shared it in this channel. So I do not know where from that news emanated, where they brought that news that if you linked your BITMART exchange BNB wallet address to your CPen, that you are not going to get your token. I assume that message is false. Okay, is false, because this is an official announcement that has been made by the CPen core team. Okay, now if some people were saying that it is because we are in Nigeria, yes, we're in Nigeria and there is no restriction for Nigerians. I've not seen restrictions for Nigerians. I've been using the BITMART exchange and it has been working perfectly well, so I really do not know. But then the choice is yours. If you still want to change your wallet address, the choice is yours, but I'm not changing mine. So guys, thank you very much. This is the update that we're going to take for today. Thank you for watching this video. Remember, if you have not started mining the Delta coin, I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video. You click on the link to download the app, then you sign up with the referral code on the screen. This project is a very strong project, of which we expect that it has a very we see it as a project that has a very good future. So if you've not started mining, you do well to download the app, then you install it and you start mining. Thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you in my next video.